Where'd it go?
I'm here.
Why is the music suddenly ominous?
You guys want some candy?
Today, guys, we are going to be playing Panicore, and we just got a little bit scared during this video.
Oh, you think you're so scary? Well, I'll come over. You know what? In fact, I'll come over there myself. Yeah.
Oh.
Well,
Oh.
Run! He's behind me! Oh boy!
But anyways, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Let's just get straight into the video.
Story
Okay.
time. Here we go.
Family meeting.
Okay, so back in my day, stop looking at me like that. Okay,
Question, Grandpa.
Yeah?
Grandpa.
Yes,
How was World War II? Do you remember anything? Can you tell us a story from then?
Do you have PTSD?
Easy, Sonny.
Grandpa, do you have Alzheimer's?
I don't know what I'm saying right now. I don't even know who you guys are.
Oh, my fault.
What the hell was that? Guys, we need to split up, and we need to find...
This game never lets me have any fun.
Okay.
We're splitting up. We're splitting up.
See ya.
What?
Oh, wait, is it?
Oh,
Guys?
did he just... Wait, what is...
Guys.
Where'd it go?
I'm here.
Why is the music suddenly ominous? Hello, Papa? Oh, okay.
You guys want some candy?
Hey, I found this. I haven't found a medkit. Do you need your pills? You need to take your pills. I think. Oh, I don't think he wants the pills.
Yeah.
Guys,
What?
I'm scared.
I know I am too. It's okay, Papa. We're here together.
Oh shit, my fault.
No. You know what?
Follow
You know what? I will show you that it's safe. I will show you that it's safe.
Okay. She's gonna start screaming right now. Wait.
Let's leave him. Come on.
Yeah. Let's go.
What?
Shut the fuck up.
Did something happen?
He goes behind us.
What?
Shut up. I want the smoke.
Bro, you are paranoid. You really need to take your pills.
Yeah, it's
I'm literally
says
right there.
Go by.
Look at that Kion on that thing.
Yo!
Okay,
I got an achievement.
he's coming. Are you serious right now?
Whoa.
Oh wait, listen to this. This is a new entity. I don't know what the hell he's saying. Can y'all understand his ass?
I heard the word spooky and that's it.
Ew. Oh god. Oh shit.
We're fine. We're fine.
What's up, bitch?
Yeah, hey, why don't you come over here? Show me what you're really made
Appreciate
of.
it, shawty.
Show me what you're really made of. Throw those hands. Throw those big, meaty hands of yours. What, are you scared?
Oh my god, what can you do with that tongue, baby?
Why was there...
Flexing. Look at him, he's flexing.
Oh, you think you're so scary? Well, I'll come over. You know what? In fact, I'll come over there myself. Yeah.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Oh no! Run! He's behind me! Oh boy! What? No! Oh no!
Oh god. Should we do easy or medium? Should we put it on easy?
Medium.
First?
Medium.
Okay.
Nah, medium.
Okay, well,
We're no babies. We're no baby gamers. We're real gamers. We're
obviously
men.
we are baby gamers because I swear I heard one of us scream. Besides me.
Gee, I wonder who it was.
Yeah, I wonder who it was.
Yeah.
I wonder who it was.
Yeah, me too.
Is he already here?
I think so.
Oh shit.
He is.
Okay, appreciate it. You
I'm
I
baby.
don't like how you guys are like right up in my face.
This is such a
Wait.
funny
Yeah,
perspective.
oh
This is a thumbnail. This is gonna be the thumbnail.
yeah, look at that. Hey there.
Your schnoz. Your schnoz is right in my face.
Bro, okay, quick question. Why do we even have gas masks? What are we doing here?
Chernobyl.
Okay.
What do you think?
Somebody
Dance, buddy. Okay, I'm done breaking it down. But
Okay.
wait, no, I think it's still a little bit complicated. Let me break it down further.
Ew, zesty air.
Okay.
Excuse me!
See him.
589! No, you're a rip-off. I don't want this. I'm gonna eat something else.
What did I just hear? What? I'm scared for my well-being right now. You left the, did you just say you left the fuel?
Should I go look for that?
Go
Maybe.
down there. We're not going with you. Go.
He did.
Go. Go. Go.
But it's scary. It's
Don't mind me. I'm just doing my business. Don't mind me. I'm just doing my business.
Wait, do you have a screwdriver?
No, I don't.
Oh, damn, dude.
stupid deaf
Hey!
idiot. Stupid idiot.
Stupid
Stupid
idiot.
bozo. Stupid
idiot.
Stupid
idiot.
Show us
Go
what you
away.
really made of.
Show us.
Yeah.
Idiot. Yes, damn it, idiot. Damn idiot.
Yeah. This guy thinks he's
Yeah,
so scary.
I'm right here.
He thinks he's so scary. Yeah.
Yeah, he's scary. You're not scary. He's chasing us.
Close the door. Oh no! Uh-oh. I don't have a crowbar. I don't have
I do.
Wow, he's actually useful for once.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that form. What?
Jesus!
Hey, buddy.
That scared the fuck out of me.
Ooh, scary. Whoa.
Bro, holy hell,
Yeah,
I
you
just
walk
pissed
away.
my
You
pants.
walk away.
I actually just
Walk
pissed my
away.
pants.
Walk away. Walk away. Screw you. You're not scary. None in this place is scary.
You know what mode I put it on?
Hard.
Panicore.
He can hear us.
I don't care. He's not even a cool guy.
I think he's a cool guy.
I think he's a fucking fat bitch. Leave the doors open at all. You guys
Wait.
say
So we
that.
can-
Shut up,
so we
shut
can
up.
know-
Wait, shut up, shut up. Oh my god.
Get down on it. Get down on it.
Quit searching and start
Hey,
working.
I'm right here. Help!
Where did they go?
I'm bleeding out.
I'm here.
I need a
revive me, please. Please come and revive.
Hey, I'm still over here. Hey. Don't just leave me here. Don't start twerking on top of me. That's.
Look at this stupid boy.
Is he coming up? Check behind you. I don't want
Bye.
It's not opening. Literally stare down that hallway.
Yeah.
He's coming. He's coming. Where are you? Where are you?
Get it.
Holy fuck. I said, stare down that hallway. Make sure he doesn't come. I see the red light. I'm like, run.
I just was separate. Oh my god. I thought I was getting chased. Right.
Is it
He's dead. Run.
I didn't expect to go in the same line, Oh, we can come down this way.
Oh yeah, I forgot there's two ways.
Are you coming down?
What's coming up?
Yeah, go.
Oh yep. Yep.
Upstairs.
Behind me.
Oh shit.
How did he get over there?
Okay, I'm stopping my recording. Well, before I do.